welcome back to my channel. I'm Lauren Kanemoto and this is DIY with Lauren K. I'm gonna have to say you should wear a mask because we got stuff flying up everywhere. Pretty much, I'm just putting this under here and lifting it up as so. And there's glue. I mean, this thing tears pretty easily. It's just the only thing is the glue. There's a lot of moisture down here. I'm gonna look into my home warranty because we just bought this house. There should not be water down here. And I figured there must be a problem because my floor was turning yellow, and I told my husband, like, why is the floor yellow? So you see, it's yellow. Why are you yellow? Oh, right here, yellow. I told my husband I'm gonna tear out the floor, and if underneath it's wet, this is wet. I gotta figure out if the problem is down here or if the problem is over here. My project is probably gonna have to be on hold now until I can get the contractors, the builders down here to come check out my house. Floor should not be wet. To be continued, guys. Let's keep tearing out this floor.
Operator, how may I direct your call?
Hi there. After lifting up this floor, it smells like water and moisture and mildew and so I gotta call my home insurance.
Thanks for calling customer service.
So what I want to show you is get that under there and just up. It's so wet. This is crazy. Usually this stuff is really hard to take off. so wet and so squishy. Anyways, you guys, to take off the glue and all that, literally just some people also use heat guns. I've heard they're like 10 bucks. And tear it, okay? That is literally how you take out the floor. Just lift it up, pull it, and just that's it. Rip it. Get this. Go underneath. Loosen it up. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. That's it. So I put a long sleeve on because lifting up the flooring, the dust is really itchy, and so just make sure that you're wearing a long sleeve. Let's do it. You gotta, so you just kind of gotta dig in where it's already open, and I'm gonna get my knife and I'm gonna just cut all the way. Lift it up. Here's where we made a crease with our knife. So pull that way. Oh my god. Let's just pull the whole thing. what happens when we add water to a little section. Let's see if I can peel it. Not really, I mean, kind of. It peels off the paper. Is it easier for you?
Yeah.
Is it getting the glue?
No.
No? Okay. I guess as long as we get the paper, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so water's a go. It works a lot easier when you use warm or hot water to wet the ground because it helps with melting the glue and taking it off a lot easier. And then as soon as you get a little pile, sweep it up and throw it away. Don't let it dry on the concrete because it will get stuck and then you're gonna have to re-wet everything and then scrape it up again. So as soon as you get a pile like this, throw it away right away. And we should be done. And then I can do the concrete treatment. And then we gotta wait 24 hours and then begin on the underlayment and the flooring. We completed everything. The concrete is clean and ready for treatment. For that, we have this right here, sun concentrate for urine or odor eliminator, stain remover. It's for carpet, hardwood floors, concrete, mattress, furniture. You get a bottle of water to here. This is the solution. I'm going to pour it up to this line right here. Right. I hope it reaches like everything.
What is this supposed to do?
It's a concrete treatment. Any stains or smells, urine that came in contact with the concrete, it cleans it off, lifts up the stain and the smell and kills the urine. Huh?
What are you supposed to do? After you spray it?
You just spray it and you let it dry. That's about it. All of it?
Hmm?
Used all of it?
Yeah.
Awesome. It smells really nice, huh?
Yeah.
I like how it smells. We soaked some areas. Hi. Ooh, flowers. Thank you. Hi. Okay, go play. Now we gotta wait 24 hours. It's soaked pretty good. I give this product a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell to get those notifications for when my next video comes out.